Hello and welcome to Agile CRM. Today we're going to review the Sales module. To get to the Sales module, you can simply select the top icon in the center. If you're at any other location, select Sales and select Home, and that will take you to your home location. If you click on the top three bars in the top left-hand corner, this will reveal all of your menu options along with a context view. Let's select Contacts. Once you select Contacts, it brings you into a list view of all of your contacts. You have many options. By selecting any contact or a group of contacts, you can perform the following functions. You can add tags, remove tags, add them to a campaign, send an email, bulk update any field, export your contacts, or even delete them. Deselecting them will allow you to click on individual contacts and perform whatever actions you'd like to do. Clicking on the contacts again will take you back to your list view. You have many options while viewing your contacts. You can select your filters and hide them or reveal them. You can have your contacts in a list view or even in a grid view, depending on how you like to view your contacts. You can add contacts by selecting the Add Contact button, and even import contacts by selecting the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Select Import. You can now click on the Upload CSV file. When the menu reveals, you can choose the file you wish to open. I have an example prepared. Select the file, click on Open, and then click on Upload. Once it has read the file, Agile CRM will go in and try to automatically map the fields that you have listed as your headers in the columns of the CSV file. These are the contact fields that Agile has recognized within my particular demonstration. Simply click on Import, and Agile CRM gives you a message at the top that says now your contacts are being imported. If you click on the contacts icon again on the left-hand side, once they're done loading, you can then view all of your contacts that you have just imported. On the left-hand side, you can click on the companies icon. By simply hovering over any of the icons, it will tell you what it is. You click on companies, and once again, you have a list view of all of the companies that are associated within Agile CRM. By clicking on the top right-hand corner, you can also import companies the same way we did with our contacts. You can add a new company, include their URL, and add other information from here. Let's take a look at deals. By clicking on the Deals button, this brings you to the milestone view. By selecting the view, you can actually pick out the deals that you want to view, the created date, the close date, the won date, the value, and even sort them either in descending or ascending view. These buttons up here will give you many more options. You can manage your tracks for the deals, and you can also select if you want to see your deals in a list view, in a milestone view. Under the milestone view, you have Relaxed, Compact, and Fit as your options. For the purposes of our demonstration, we're going to use the Relaxed view. Let's add a new deal. So you select the Add Deal. Let's give the deal a name. We're going to call this a test deal. Who's the owner of the deal? Your overall value of the deal. Notice you do not have to put in the dollar signs. If you have products loaded, you can simply click on the Products button and it will reveal any products that you have loaded, where you can select them to add as part of your deal. It even gives you an option if you're planning on providing a discount and the percentage. The probability of winning the deal. By default, all deals come in at a 20% probability. I feel pretty good about this deal, so I'm going to give it a 50% probability of being won. The milestone for the particular deal of a prospect proposal won or lost, right now it's a new deal. Select your date that you expect it to close. In this case, we want to close it by the end of the month. Your deal source, by clicking on the icon on the right-hand side, will provide you with a drop-down list where you can select the deal source. Did it come from your website? Was it a customer referral? Did it come from an ad? Or maybe even a search engine? You can color code your deals by simply clicking and adding a checkbox to whichever color you like. And you can tie this deal to a particular contact. You can start typing the name in here, and it will automatically search your contacts and associate it. You can add tags to the deal, and this particular one, I'm going to call it a new deal with a tag. By clicking on the plus button, you can even add a description where you can put in additional information. Click on the Save button, and now that deal has revealed itself within your milestone view. One feature that's really nice about Agile is it allows you to grab the deal and actually move it into different stages without actually having to go in and update and manually modify the particular deal. Simply hover over the deal, click, and now you can drag it into your next milestone. Notice your numbers change here to tell you how many deals you have and your expected overall value along with your average. Let's take a look at documents. Documents are a great way for you to organize and keep all of your documents related to contacts or your business in one central location. Let's add a new document. Simply click on the Add Document button, and it gives you two options. If you'd like to upload a document that you have on your computer, click on Upload Document. Give the document a name. You can tie it to a particular contact or choose not to. You can tie it to a deal or choose not to. And then select where is the document located that you want to upload. You have the option of Computer, Google+, your Dropbox, OneDrive, or your Box accounts. Once you've selected the deal, you'll click on Save. This document that I want to load is on my computer. So I select Computer, I browse to the location, select the document, click on Open, and then Save. After you hit the Save button, Agile CRM will bring you back to the main menu of all documents where you can actually see a list view of them. Let's go back to Add Document and take a look at an e-document. So you add document, click on e-document, and Agile has different templates that are already preloaded. You can add additional templates or even create your own custom template. For the purposes of our demonstration, let's take a look at the business proposal. From here, you have an option to either edit it, or delete it, or simply select it by clicking on the Go button. We can give the document a name, tie it to a particular document for sending, put in the deal if you like, and then select Generate. At this point, it will generate the particular document so you can view it and then edit any information that you need. It will even merge fields and allow you to modify any of the information that you see. Notice this box down in the right hand corner. This allows you to actually send this e-document out to someone and have them sign it electronically. Once you're done with your editing, you can click on Save. When you do that, it gives you an option to send this document as an email or preview the document. Let's take a look at it. Here is the document. In the top right-hand corner, you have the option to print the document or even download it as a PDF. If you wish to add comments, you can simply do that by clicking here. Once you're done, close the window, close the pop-up, select Documents again, and now your new document has appeared in the list. From here, if you don't want to keep any of the documents or a particular document, simply select the document, click on Delete. It will prompt you to confirm the delete. Click on Yes, and now the document is gone. Let's take a look at your calendar options. Your calendar options are located on the left under the online calendar icon. Simply click on it and it will reveal all the information related to your calendar. Here you can select your URL to share with everyone, and you can even modify the URL's ending however you like. Click on Save, and now it has updated the URL that you can share with everyone. You can even add your calendar to a site by clicking on Add to Site. If you select the tab at the top, it will adjust your business hours, your meeting types, and even give you advanced options, as well as allow you to edit the message that appears on your calendar scheduling page. Simply click on the Save button once you've done all of your changes, and then to actually view your calendar, up at the top menu bar, select the calendar icon and click on it. Now your calendar is revealed. Here's where you can actually take a look at the different views of your calendar by day, by week, or by month. On the left-hand side, it gives you options to add your Google Calendar or your Office 365 calendar to your view. Allows you to once again click on your URL for online scheduling, and you can even subscribe to different iCals. From here, you can also simply add an event right to your calendar by clicking on the Add Event button. Let's take a look at activities. To access the activities, click on the left-hand side under the hourglass icon that says Activities. This will reveal all of your user activities, where you can see the deals that they've touched, documents they've uploaded, or anything else that they have done within Agile CRM. At the top right, you can select your date ranges by days, by month, by quarter, by year, or even apply a custom filter. You can select your users by an individual user or all users, and even filter out your activities by all activities, calls, contacts, texts or SMS messages, deals, documents, events, emails, tasks, and different user activities. If you wish to see your contact activities, click on the Contact Activities at the top. My contacts have not been very busy, but this is where the data would show once your contacts have actually done any of the actions that were previously listed. We'll go back to User Activities for the demonstration. And again, it reveals a list view. Let's take a look at the reports. To access the reports, hover over the pie icon on the left-hand side that says Reports. Click on it, and now this provides you with a graphical view of all your different report options. By simply clicking on the category, it will reveal the different subcategories of reports available to you. If you hover over one of the subcategories, it will actually give you a preview of what the report will look like. Let's go back to the deals. I'd like to see all of my incoming deals. I clicked on Deals, and then the subcategory of incoming deals. And now it provides you with a graphical view. Notice that as you hover, it reveals the data to you. Up at the top, you have many filter options by total deals or by total revenue, by all owners or individual contact owners. The view that you wish to see, is it a daily view, a weekly view, or a monthly view? And what date range do you want to gather this data from? You can simply click what you would like, allow it to refresh. Agile will now populate the data and provide it to you. If you wish to do more with your data, select the 3 bars in the graphical view, and a new menu appears where you can actually print the chart that you see, download the image, download it as a PDF, download it as a comma-separated value, or even download it in Microsoft Excel format, and it will even allow you to view the data so that you can export it and manipulate it further if you wish. The last icon would be the trash icon. The trash icon is great for managing your contacts or companies that may have been accidentally deleted, or if you need to restore a particular contact or company, it will be populated here. You would simply click on the contact and select Restore, and that will put the contact back into activity. We hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have further questions, please feel free to contact your support representative or your customer success manager. Thank you.